Docs is a free web-based software service offered by Google, which allows its users to create, edit, and share documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and forms online. This tutorial will walk you through the process of creating a simple form. Forms can be saved online and accessed from any computer with an internet connection at any time. You can use forms as assessment tools, gain student feedback, and evaluate student performance on a unit by creating various types of test questions. The information gathered in your form is populated in real time to an online database so you can quickly and effortlessly collect results. So, let's get started. Once you have logged in to your Google account and click Documents, you have access to this screen. We're going to create a simple assessment for our students using Google Forms. Click Create New and select Form. I'm going to give my form a name and a description. Google Docs provides these sample questions, which we can delete at any time by clicking this icon. I want to add an essay, so I'm going to click Add Item and choose Paragraph Text. I want to make this question a required question, so I will check this box and click Done. I have just added an essay item where students will populate their answers in this text box. Now I want to create a multiple choice question, so I select Add Item, select Multiple Choice. I want to move this up here right below essay and type my question title here. Here my first option, and I just click below to add as many options as I need. I will make this a required question as well, and there is my multiple choice question. We can also create a drop-down menu choice item, and we'll select Add Item, choose from a list, and type in our question. We can also add an item where users will have to enter text, and so I can choose a text item here. I will also include a checkbox question where multiple options could be correct. Okay, these sample questions were populated when I created my form, and I don't really need them, so I'm going to click this icon to delete those. Okay. Now I would like to add a grid item. This could be used for creating a rubric in which students can evaluate their own performance, or the instructor can evaluate performance. It defaults to a 5-column grid, and I don't need 5 columns, so I'm going to reduce that to 3. And I would like the question to be a self-evaluation from the student. So I've given my title. I could choose to include some descriptive text here. That's not required. In my column labels, I'm going to make these points be the rubric measurements. I'm going to not make this required. Finally, I'm going to create a scale question. And I could choose how I want the scale to range, and I'm going to keep the 1 to 5 scale and label. And again, I will not make this required. Finally, I would like to distinguish between the assessment questions and the student self-evaluation questions, which I have not selected to be required. I'm going to go to add item, and underneath other, I would like to have a section header, and I'm going to title this section student self-evaluation, and give it a brief description. and choose done. Now I would like to move this item above the student evaluation items, and it's very simple. I just left click and drag until I get to the point where I want it to be placed. You can also adjust the theme, and choosing from various themes. Once I'm satisfied with my form, I could email this form from my list of contacts in my Google account, or I can simply type in the email addresses of the recipients of this form, and my form has been sent via email. Another way to distribute forms is to embed. In this code you can paste, you can simply copy and paste into your blog or website. You can also edit your confirmation. After they've submitted the form, this is the response they will see. To review the results, simply log back into your Google Docs account, and all of your items appear. Click your assessment, and you have a spreadsheet with all of the responses timestamped in a spreadsheet. We can look at it in a spreadsheet form, or choose under form, show summary of responses. And there you have it. A simple, quick, and easy method to produce a form using free web-based Google Docs. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial.